Unpacking in Christmas time can't be totally wrong. I have wanted this tool for quite a while, but I feel you have to have a need for a tool before you buy it, and now I have a need for it, so let's see what we got. Away with this box. Okay. Well. Looks nice, feels nice. Easy to operate. See, I have a battery here. Test it. I have a project coming up where I think I need this one. It's a very tight space. So I think it's going to get handy with this one. Okay, how do you do this? Okay, yes, you pull that to lock to open this. I have several Bosch 12 volt tools. I have four or five batteries. So this was perfect for me. Always remember to take the battery out when you're working. And as you saw here, now it spins. Pull it out, it's locked. Put in the battery. Very nice. And it's a brushless motor in this one. I don't know if you see what. Yes. Brushless is really nice. Battery will last longer. This is not another guard. I don't know what this is. I have to read the description maybe. Well. I don't know. Time will tell. Okay, that's what's all for. Feels really nice. Will come in handy for me. A little bit closer look here. It feels nice, sturdy, small, and always take out the battery. And here's the spindle lock. Pull it out and you can loosen this. Get this disc changed or removed, and pull it back. Battery installed. Really nice. I would recommend it. Still I haven't used it, but I heard a lot of good things about it. Probably not as powerful, but will get the job done where you can't use a bigger grinder. It will come in handy for me. One more thing, as you can see here, you can adjust this guard in which angle you want it. And also I read in the instruction book that this is an extra safety guard. Also can adjust how you want it. Neat. I don't know if I ever gonna use it, but it's good. Nice thing to have. Thank you.